Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to enable and use the attention assist. Let's begin. So, at the very beginning, let me simply show you step by step how to get access to the feature of the attention assist. All you need to do right now is use the home screen. Swipe to the left a few times until you see the settings. So the settings are with the car icon, of course. In this example is Mercedes GLB. Let's just tap it. This is like the standard view of your settings. Choose here assistance and tap assistance one more time. As you can see here, we've got a few assistance features that you can use, and one of them is Attention Assist. You can easily enable or disable this feature by using the following toggle. If the Attention Assist is enabled, you will see this animation with the green icon. If you tap here Settings, you can also change the level of your Attention Assist. It could be standard or sensitive. You can also read here information about this function. So the function supports you on a long, monotonous journeys and suggests taking a break if it detects signs of fatigue or an increasing lack of concentration. So in my case, I really like this feature to have this enabled, and I recommend anybody to enable this feature. So all you need to do is just use this feature and you will be safe on your long driving roads. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.